I've been asked by a few people how big a range of sizes that we can make using zero gravity chainless configuration. So what I've got here is I've got 3 blinds of quite different size that are all made using zero gravity. So the smallest one here is 800 millimeters or 32 inches wide, and what you can see here, this blind is full drop blind. And you can see that this blind is quite happy to stop operation at any position where I locate it. The second blind that I've got here is 2.1 meters wide or about 7 feet. And once again, you can see here that this blind is very happy to operate over its entire range. We're talking about here a full drop blind. And again, as you can see, we have very precise control. One of the things you might be able to see here is that we've started to develop a lifting handle. It's maybe evident in the video, and this is designed so that you can actually lift this, raise and lower this using the handle, but also it's been designed so that we can engage a wand in here. So if the blind is up high, the wand can engage and be used to pull that blind down. This will be produced out of a clear acrylic so that it becomes invisible. The third blind here is a huge blind. This is 3.6 meters wide or 12 feet, made using a heavyweight screen fabric and a heavy bottom rail. And once again, you can see that I have very precise control of where this blind wants to stop. So I can operate this blind over its entire range. So this is operating over something like 2.3 meters, nearly 8 feet of drop. And again, you can see here that this blind is very precise, and I can tell you this is extremely light. I'm using almost no effort whatsoever to operate this blind. So the key thing is, as I said, people have asked what sort of range of widths can we make blinds from. This large blind is on a 63 millimeter or 2.5 inch tube, 3.6 meters wide, 12 feet wide. We have a blind here that's made on a 2-inch tube or a 50 millimeter tube, 2.1 meters wide or 7 feet. And then at the smaller end of the spectrum, we have here a blind that's made on an 1.5 inch tube or a 38 millimeter tube. This is 800 millimeters wide or about 32 inches. So the system is very scalable in terms of the blind sizes that we can produce.